Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to discuss about the question number 40. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, and subscribe to the Great Online Training channel. And let's dive into the question number 40. So the question number 40 is: a proc print report was created with the following title, that is Asia Sports Vehicle Summary. And after the proc print report is run, a programmer would next like to produce a proc freak report with the following title, that is Asia Sports Vehicle Summary and Distribution by Make. Which statement would produce the new report titles? So what the question is, first of all, one of the man has created the proc print, and he also mentioned the title statement as Asia Supports Vehicle Summary. And after some time, another programmer would like to produce the proc freak, another with two titles, that is Asia Sports Vehicle Summary and Distribution by Make. So we want to represent these two titles in the proc freak. So to reproduce, that is to produce those two titles, which statement we have to use by taking the four options below. So first of all, let's see options wise. So the first option is title Distribution by Make. So when we mention the title statement after the proc print procedure, already we mentioned the title in the proc print, and again we are mentioning the title in the proc freak. When we are mentioning the title, then the distribution by make will only get appear, but the Asia Sports Vehicle Summary will not get appear. But instead of title, if we have written the title 2, then it will get appear. And the next one, the B statement, the B option is title, and two titles were given. The first one is Asia Sports and the second one is Distribution by Make. So when the two title statements are mentioned in one report, that is in one procedure, the SAS will take the latest one, that is here Asia Sports Vehicle Summary is written and the Distribution by Make is also written, but the second title will only get appeared, but the first title will not get appear. It will take the latest one. Let's see the third option. So title and title 2. Title is nothing but title 1 and title 2. So 1 and 2, we can write the title statements up to 10 lines of titles. So title and title 2. So the two statements will get appeared because we have mentioned here title 2 but not as title and just title. It is not mentioned like that. And the next one is title and subtitle. So title is mentioned Asia Sports Vehicle Summary. We will get appeared as Asia Sports Vehicle Summary. But the next one is subtitle. The subtitle is not a valid keyword in SAS for setting titles or subtitles. So this option is wrong. Then we just once again go through the options. The first option, Distribution by Make, only one, that is this one only will get appeared, but this one will not get appeared. And when we write two title statement, the latest one will get picked by the SAS. And here title and title 2. So title will give the Asia Sports Vehicle Summary and the title 2 will give Distribution by Make. So the C statement is correct, and the fourth statement, subtitle, is not at all and keyword in the SAS. So the correct option for this question is the option C. So I will explain you by using SAS here. Title Asia, proc print and data. When we run this statement, here you can see Asia is given title, right? And next I am using the title Distribution, like the first option here mentioned, right, for the proc freak, that is Distribution. See, only distribution is get presented, but we want Asia and also distribution. So instead of here, let me write title 2. So the second statement is title, right? So the second option is title and title. So title and title. So run the statement. Now you can see the latest one is appeared here, and the next one is title 1 and title 2. So Asia and distribution. This is what we want as per the question. So the correct option here is title and title to, that is the C option. So the D is subtitle is not at all a keyword in SAS for setting titles or subtitles. So the correct option here is C. So thank you. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to the Great Online Training channel, and like the video and share the video to your friends. And thank you.